Okay, what I got going now is making some the rest of the little brackets for those EAA clamps, welding that little piece of angle on it. Again, it's pretty good for a little practice there. I've got just some scrap metal I got using for a jig. Set that on there. This little chunk of metal goes on here. And then I got this one here. Angle sits on, so there we go. Fire up the torch and weld her on. Hopefully the torch won't pop too much. Like I said, this is all good practice for the real thing, getting used to welding on the airplane. Got her nice and hot. It's kind of welding down in a little bit of a valley here, so it's a little bit challenging. Hopefully the torch won't pop too bad. It popped a couple times already here. Off camera, of course. Don't want to invite the scorn of all those professional welders out there that know what's going on. Probably will anyway, but that's alright. Pretty good once you got that bridge going with the weld metal. It does a good job of transferring the heat from one side to the other. But it does take quite a bit of filler to fill in that gap. And then of course when we get to the end, things get pretty hot. Back the torch off a little bit. Don't weld and burn the edge off. One spot back here on this, so I'll go ahead and fill that back in. And that's it. I'll hand the pliers, and there we go. One more part for the clamps.